So guys, we're done checking in. So pasok na tayo kasi we have 2 rooms. So 2 rooms ang kinuha natin kasi hindi na pwede yung mga bata sumama sa aming room kasi adult ano na sila, and this is their room.
Welcome to our room. Now, welcome to our room.
Uy, hala, nice yung room ah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ganda. Oh, your room is on the other side.
On the other side kami. Oh, nice man. Uy, kadlok ba mura magnaskarsada na? Hala. Yeah.
You're on the street.
We are in the close.
Oh my God, bird. Diba? O, dyan tayo nag-ano kanina, oh.
Yep.
Ang taan.
My leg hurt.
Ang ganda ng view ng ano nyo, ah. You have the best view.
I want to see your room now.
Tara, let's go to our room. Ay, no, dito na lang kayo. Charge your phone na, Pat.
Or you to off at any moment.
Ganda
Like
nga,
when
Pat.
Ashley doesn't get her makeup right, we can just throw each other off.
Among?
Yeah, if you're arguing.
Yeah.
You're free to do that, Pat.
Dang. So, I'm really glad.
Enjoy your first room.
Enjoy.
Wala ka dyan.
Girls.
Yeah.
So, we are in other room, guys. Hotel Chancellor. Or Chancellor. Sa dulo tayo. Sa dulo kami, guys. And then yung mga kids at dulo. Yeah nga. Yeah nga, I said. Ah, we have a view also in there, I think. Ito pala yung room namin, guys. Ayan. Tadang. Bed. At ito yung view. Concord Hotel. So, ayan. So, dito na tayo, guys. Lumabas na tayo sa hotel and we're about to go out. Kasi we're hungry na, guys. Ito. Itong small is hungry. Hungry for Jollibee. Kain tayo ng Jollibee, guys. So, kasi wala pa kaming lunch. And it's 3 p.m. na. So, we need to eat some lunch. We have to take some food. And after that, pasyal tayo. This is our first day here in Singapore.
You know what the tiles of the towers look like?
So guys, nahanap na namin si Bubuyog. Ayan. Oh. So, syempre guys, walang Jollibee sa Cambodia. Jollibee kami kakain dito sa Singapore. Of course, as always. So, we're here now.
What do you want? Chicken joy or... You want this one?
It was right after we went to the swimming pool.
Oh yeah, you're tired. So guys, tapos na tayo kumain sa Jollibee and we're walking and we're going to Marina Bay Sands. Ayan. And after that, punta tayo ng Makan, which is parang food street here in Singapore. And then, so guys, pa-exit na rin tayo sa Marina Square Mall para makatawid tayo going to Marina Bay Sands. So, dadaan na tayo sa Esplanade going to I think, if I'm not mistaken, kung tama yung pagkaalala ko, guys. So, ayan guys, yung Esplanade Mall. So, tama yung ano ko, memory ko. Ayan. Then, mag-ano tayo sa bridge. Going to MBS or Marina Bay Sands. What's that? There's a duck tour, guys. Hello! It's a land and sea.
That's why it's called Dr. Di Ay.
Ayan guys, galing tayo dyan sa mall na yan. Doon sa likod. And dito na naman tayo. So, lakad-lakad lang talaga din dito sa Singapore, guys. Kasi yung mall is anywhere and everywhere. And ang ganda. Any place here is super ganda. So, we will cross. Ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa kabila na side. And later, dyan tayo, hindi na pala makan yung tawag dyan, Glutons by the bay. And pinaganda na. Dati ano lang yan, parang food street na ano. Yeah. So nice.
Sa una, di ba kuwan naman to?
Oh, yung paypaya, ganda na.
It's covered up because it's
This is Singapore.
oh my god, I didn't see that.
So, pupunta tayo dyan guys sa Marina Bay Sands or MBS. Ang ganda, lalong gumanda ang Singapore. Ako.
Yun silang ate, patuyo pa to.
Yeah.
Alex, I know now that is the boat, yung boat na yan, hindi ba yun yung duck boat? Hindi.
Probably is.
Hindi. Hindi. You know before mga wedding ano nila dito yung photoshoot marami. Yeah, this bridge going there. Yeah, sure.
What's the name of that?
Kaunsa nato. So ayun guys, we're here in Marina Bay Sands. Ayan, sa mall muna and then ayun yung hotel andon. That white thingy is the Arts and Science Museum. Just go inside. Ayan guys, ito yung sa loob ng, hala pareha sa ano oh. Asan nga yun? Giant Mall? Ayan yun? Giga Mall, oo. Parang sa Giga Mall. So nice! There is. Nasa baba.
I thought it said Putin.
Yan. This is the mall, guys.
Where is madam?
One of the attractions here, guys, it's the gondola. Para kang nasa Italy. So guys, andito pa rin tayo sa Marina Bay Sands and may binili kami sa Sephora, guys. Ito.
I know my colors.
Sephora para ano, makeup kits. So I buy this
Stop me from noticing.
eyeshadow. Ang ano nito guys is espresso.
Why am I pulling this out?
Ayan. This is mine. And yung kay ate, bumili siya ng ano to, foundation?
Yeah.
Yeah, Pinty Beauty by Rihanna.
Liquid blush.
And then this one is
Rare Beauty.
Liquid Blush. Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. Ayan. So, yan ang nabili natin dito sa Marina Bay Sands. And nandito tayo sa IWC because meron tayong kinuhang watch na pina-repair ng kasama ni Mr. sa trabaho. So, ayan. And yun guys. The foundation. Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. And MAC by MAC. So, yan lang guys. And see you later. Kakain tayo sa yung Glutons by the Bay. Yun. For dinner naman. And kikitain natin yung brother ng Mr. Ko. Later. With his family. So, it's night na guys. Going to Makan na tayo. Ayan. Oh, so nice. Hala! There's a dog. Ang ganda na dito tayo galing kanina guys. I mean, dito tayo dumaan. Ang ganda pag gabi. Ayan yung flyers. Two dogs. Oh, ang ganda guys. Ang ganda no? Tingnan mo yung ano ko, video ko. Ang ganda.
Oh, look.
Wow.
It's nicer when it's darker. Like when it's sun. Wait, what is dawn and what is dusk?
Ay, ang ganda guys pag gabi. Super oh. Wala, ang ganda na. The marina.
Dito. Nakita ni?
Yeah. Ayan oh, ang ganda. O, tingnan mo. Look at my video. See, ang ganda.
Loko to Patricia to.
Guys, ginula tayo. Walang Glutons Bay. Makan Sutra. Weekend na lang siguro na din. Kasi before guys, marami dito. Dati mayroon pang Jerry's Grill dito. Ngayon, maybe weekend na lang today.
Yeah, weekend na lang siguro.
So, nagulat kami at gulatin nyo kami. Diyan na lang to sa ano, Esplanade Mall.
Oh, is this the one where we got the
So, nag-expect kami, makakain kami ng yung cereal. Shrimp with cereal, yun. Oo. Tapos wala na, close, sarado guys. So, tapos doon din ang ano namin, usapan ng kanyang kapatid na doon magkita. So, yung kapatid niya is galing Legoland from Malaysia. Johor Bahru, Malaysia. And then, dyan sana kami kita. Pero wala pala. So, dati kasi yung wala pang COVID is regular nights yun meron. So, maybe ngayon, ano na lang. I think weekend. So, hanap na lang kami ng place kung saan kakain mamaya.
Later that same evening.